Kipsters, I'm going to model our 4 read to self habits. Remember, our 4 read to self habits are we are going to track the text, we're going to sit up straight, we're going to keep our eyes on text, and we're going to whisper read. Okay? So as you're watching this video, I want you to think, am I following all 4 steps? Right? So when I say 3, 2, 1, I want you to say action in your head. And that's when you're going to watch me like it's a movie. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Border kid. It's fun to be a border kid, to wake up early on Saturdays and cross the bridge to Mexico with my dad. The town's like a mirror, twin of our own, with Spanish spoken everywhere, just the same. But English is mostly missing until it pops up, like grains or sugars on a chili pepper. Now that I'm done reading my first 2 stanzas, did I follow those 4 steps? Did I track the text? Did I sit up straight? Did I keep my eyes on the text and the screen? And did I whisper read to myself? We'll discuss it in a little bit.